What is airspace? airspace is the digital traffic management system for drones in lower airspace. The airspace above us is clearly structured, ranging from controlled areas around airports through airspaces C and D to partially controlled airspace E. Below this lies the near-ground airspace G, also known as Gulf. It is uncontrolled, meaning there is no active air traffic control, but is nevertheless clearly regulated. And this is where new air traffic is emerging through drones. airspace typically organizes this area up to around 120 meters above ground level, a digital traffic management system that plans, authorizes, and coordinates flights in real time. Systems detect potential conflicts at an early stage and help to avoid them. Public authorities and emergency services are also integrated as a priority, and temporary flight restrictions, TAR zones, can be activated flexibly. Example: a service drone is flying from A to B. A TAR zone triggered by a police operation appears in real time. The drone reacts to this and automatically adjusts its route. The flight continues safely. This ensures that lower airspace can be used efficiently and safely, even as drone traffic increases.